Toddler Food: Beef and Broccoli Stir Fry with Soba Noodles by CMP Novena. Hi, I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I will demonstrate how to make the delicious classic beef and broccoli stir-fry meal for toddlers. It contains low salt and high fiber and is balanced in nutritional food groups. This meal also has a close to neutral nature, 寒熱均衡, so it's suitable for most toddlers with all types of body constitution. The ingredients are minced beef, broccoli, carrot, soba noodles, garlic, shallot, white pepper, and cooking oil. A complete list of ingredients with quantities can be found in the description box below. First, take out your ground beef. Peel and chop the garlic into a fine mince. Wash and chop the shallot into tiny pieces. Marinate the ground beef with white pepper, garlic, and shallot for 30 minutes. Beef is a delicious protein source. However, it's warm-natured, so people with hot body types can easily accumulate an excess of yang energy from eating too much beef. That's why we're going to pair beef with soba noodles, which is cool-natured, to balance it out. Boil the soba noodles, then cut it into small lengths. Soba noodles are made of buckwheat, which can cool the stomach and help to stimulate digestion. Now we prepare the vegetables. Peel and chop the carrot into small pieces. Wash the broccoli and chop into small pieces. Broccoli is a neutral, slightly cool-natured vegetable, and it has a slight cooling and moisturizing effect to the body. Now we will start the stir-fry. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Add the minced beef and stir-fry for 3 minutes. Add the carrots and the chopped broccoli. Add some water and cover again for 5 minutes. When the vegetables have shrunk and become soft-looking, add the soba noodles and stir. The beef and broccoli stir-fry with soba noodles is complete. For young toddlers, optionally, you can boil a few small pieces of broccoli and set it aside for baby-led weaning. Cook and enjoy this delicious and balanced meal together with your child. As your child grows older, you can gradually add a bit of oyster sauce into your stir-fry for better taste, but keep the sauce to a minimum for toddlers under 3 years of age. I am Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. Please subscribe for more videos.